So the next one we're gonna do is a barbell front squat. There's two variations you can do with this. If you're with me, chances are you're probably gonna go on this one, okay? What it will look like, if I can just show you from this side, essentially, once you've got your width, your front squat will look like this. You're basically gonna squat where it's on your fingertips. It's actually gonna sit on your clavicle here. And then what's gonna happen is, as you stay up, your elbows are gonna keep them up. That's what's gonna help. You're gonna chuck your elbows forward as if they got lasers on them. That's what you're gonna do. I get a lot of people tell me when they do this one, they kind of struggle with their wrists. That's because you're trying to set the weight on your wrist from here. It will hurt. Relax, let it come to your fingertips instead. So come out, under, elbows in tight, makes it a little bit easier. If I go wide, they ain't going up. I struggle. So narrow, pin those elbows, stand tall. It would be a little bit easier if I was facing the other way, but for the sake of ease, high as you can. Chest tall, set your feet, squeeze your bum, tight core, sit, come back up. In, come back up. Now for me, this is as high as my elbows will go because of my flexibility. Chances are, that's the same for you as well. So have a go with it. Variation 2, this might not be for you, but you can actually wrap instead. From here, I can wrap and do it. There's no right or wrong. Make sure you are in the middle though. Come up, exactly the same. Come out and sit. Make sure I'm pointing and I'm pushing my elbows as high as I can go. It hits my clavicle, and I come back up. Now because I am front loading, if I lean forward, I'm gonna fall forward. So just keep it nice and tall.